How to get a refund from Fashion Nova. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Fashion Nova. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fashion Nova application. Once you've downloaded the app, go ahead and log into your profile. If you don't have an account yet, you can register easily. If you're not sure how to register, check out our YouTube channel. We have plenty of how-to videos on Fashion Nova that can guide you through the process. Now that we have that covered, let's look at the home screen. Here you can find sections for men, women, kids, and beauty products. There's also a search bar at the top for finding specific items. You'll see the shop where you can browse all the clothes available. The back feature lets you add items you wish to purchase in the future. Don't forget about the wishlist where you can save items for later. In the Me section, you can view your orders, notifications, and access the Help Center. At the end, you'll find the option to log out. Now, let's discuss how to actually get a refund on Fashion Nova. Refunds are typically issued for items that are defective, incorrect, or damaged. It usually takes about 2 to 5 days to process your refund. To start the refund process, go to the Help Center India. You may need to call customer support for assistance with your refund request. That's all for the video.